Stealing this, my Captain Rex pistol, or the DC-17 from Star Wars: The Clone Wars, or the phone. Hello. So today's video, how to steal your props. I live in the UK and I've been trying to find a method to do this for a hell of a long time. I went through using like gloss spray, things like that. What else? Like wood varnish. And it's good, but then it comes out all glossy and shiny. And if you're doing something like a gun, you don't really want that. This is the prop I'm going to basically be priming. Sealing today. But yeah, it's my Pew Pew Clone Lieutenant DC-17. As you might have seen before. But yeah, so we're going to basically prime this up. But yeah, using this method that I found out thanks to one of my followers on Instagram, or someone I follow as well. I can't remember his name, but I'll tag him in the description. He does like Star Wars figure like customizations and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to prime this. Now, before we start, actually, I've actually got the primer here. And what it is it's spray cans. So my magnet is just stuck to the bottom. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, so right. This one here, this is the one you want to get. Now, both of these look very similar, and I almost made the mistake of buying this one. My mum actually got this for me at a boot sale. I think she got it for like £2 or something, so it's quite old. She just knows that I use primer and stuff like that and thought this would be good. But as you can see, what you want to look out for is this bit, gloss, glaze, all that. You don't want gloss or glaze because otherwise that makes it shiny. You basically want matte basically. So yeah, that is what you're looking for. It actually works really well. I have actually tried it because I wanted to make sure that it actually worked. So basically, it's there. So there's like, it's not on this bit, it's this bit, this bottom like strip, and yeah, that works amazing. And as you can see, I actually primed this before. Where all this shiny stuff is what I did with this. So yeah, I mean, I don't really mind too much because this is only like a small prop. But if it was something bigger, I would like strip it and stuff. But yeah, so you want to be using this. So without further ado, I'm going to go spray it and show you guys how I do it. But yeah. Clone pistol time. Pew. Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. So what you've got to look out for when doing this is you've got to do it in short controlled bursts when you're priming, because if you do it if you just hold it down and then just spray the whole thing, you have loads of little air bubbles and splodges everywhere. Also make sure your prop is clean before you do it, because otherwise that can also cause splodges and stuff. And you have like these little air bubbles which look really crap. But yeah, that's what you got to do. Also make sure you're not holding the can too close to the gun, because otherwise you can be left with more splodges and stuff. So, that's it primed. I am extremely happy with how that primer works. Like, it's actually really cool because it doesn't look like it's got anything on it, which is amazing, which is what I wanted. And yeah, no, it's just really, really good. Like, I mean, I'm scratching it now and paint will come off. And look at that, nothing's coming off down here. Nothing's coming off. So I actually really recommend this primer. If you want, what I'll do is I'll put this in the link in the description. I actually got this one from eBay, but you can get it from Amazon. But it's a little bit more expensive. But yeah, no, it's amazing. But if you are just going to try and look for it, remember it's matte, not gloss, because if you get gloss, then it'll come out all shitty. Or you have a really shiny gun, which I don't suppose what you want, unless that's what you're going for, then yeah, you can get that, I guess. But yeah, no, it's come out really well. I'm going to go put this back on my wall, and I'm a happy cosplayer. But yeah, I mean, what I could do, I suppose, is maybe give it another round. I mean, I don't know if one's enough. I'll have to test it. I think one will be enough, just to keep it together. But I've also got a prime. Where is it? I have to prime my ODST helmet as well. So once that's all painted, that will be primed. The same company made the paint that's on, so Plasticoat made this paint. I need to tidy it up though and stuff, and yeah. But yeah, that's going to be sprayed with it. And then eventually my Halo Assault Rifle. So thank you for watching. This was a little short video. I just want to see if you guys want to see more of the cosplay stuff or the art stuff. Yeah, I've always wanted to do YouTube like this, but I've just never had like the experience in editing or anything like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and everything, and if you could subscribe and all that, that would be mega helpful and make me extremely happy. Every time I get a subscriber, I'm like, oh my god. Like one day I went up by 2 and I was like, holy crap. I was really excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Hopefully my shed won't fall down because it's very bloody windy. And yeah, toodle-roll, goodbye. Pew 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 pew. Bye.